Sa video natin ngayon, ituturo natin step by step kung paano mag-add ng contact form sa Squarespace website mo and set up email notifications para every message diretso na pupunta kung saan mo gusto. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley, and if you've ever had someone say they reached out pero wala ka naman na-receive na message, or if you're juggling DMs, emails, and random submission forms, this is one of the easiest ways to streamline. Everything a simple contact form sounds basic, pero most websites, isa siya sa pinaka-importanting elements na i-set up mo kasi ginawa niyang actual conversations yung mga casual visitors mo. So, i-cover natin kung ano ba talaga yung form tools ng Squarespace, paano sila gumagana behind the scenes, and how you can connect your form to your inbox spreadsheet or even automations through tools like Zapier. You'll see how to customize the layout, how to change the design to match your site, at pinaka-importante kung paano i-set up yung email notifications so you'll never miss a message. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Squarespace? Squarespace ay isang all-in-one website builder that gives you everything you need to design, host, and manage a website without touching a line of code. May kasama na tong templates, customizable design tools, built-in marketing features, e-commerce options, and even a clean visual editor where you control your entire layout. Lahat naka-host na sa isang place lang, and you never have to worry about updates, security patches, or pag-install ng add-ons para mapanatiling tumatakbo yung site mo. One area where Squarespace keeps things really simple is communication. Kailangan ng bawat website ng paraan para makapag-reach out ng visitors, whether small business ka, freelancer, o may online store. Squarespace includes a form block that handles basic contact forms and newsletter blocks na tumutulong sa iyo mag-collect ng email signups for this tutorial. Mag-focus tayo sa form block kasi dito mo pwedeng gawin yung inquiry form na may kahit anong fields na kailangan mo like name, email, message, phone number, drop-downs, checkboxes, at marami pang iba. So kapag nag-submit ka ng form mo, that information gets stored where you choose. Pwede mo siyang isend diretso sa email mo para ma-receive mo agad-agad. Pwede mo ring isave yung entry sa Google Sheet para organize lahat sa isang place lang. Pwede mo rin i-connect yung form sa third-party services tulad ng MailChimp or Zapier. If you like to build more advanced workflows, ang good part is hindi ka pinipilit ng Squarespace na pumili ng isa lang. Pwede mong isend yung form submissions sa multiple places at the same time kasi built-in mismo sa editor yung form block. You never have to embed code or worry about whether it'll match your site's design. Lahat automatic nang in-inherit ng fonts, color, spacing, and styling. Pwede mo rin i-adjust yung width, alignment, and layout para swak na swak talaga siya sa page mo. Pwede mo rin i-redirect yung mga tao sa thank you page after nilang mag-submit, which is great lalo na kung gusto mo mag-share ng free resource, discount code, or confirmation message. So, ngayon, simulan na natin step by step. If wala ka pang Squarespace account, pwede ka mag-start with a free trial gamit yung link namin sa description below. Gusto ko rin i-mention na may discount code kami so you can use the code MyFirstWebsite at checkout para makakuha ng 10% off. But I'll get to the pricing and all that later, okay? So, pag naklik mo na yung link, you can click Get Started or Login and then magka-create ka ng free account. So, kung nakagawa ka na ng free account mo at nakapili ka na ng website, I'm not gonna go from the very beginning but they'll walk you through step by step. Click natin yung plus, tapos pwede tayo mag-add ng page layout, mag-scroll tayo pababa sa contact at piliin natin kung alin ang gusto nating layout. So, pwede nating piliin yung example na page na to. Honestly, I just wanna delete this so it's gone. Cool, contact page, amazing. So ngayon, as you can see, gumawa na siya ng buong page and naka-align na siya sa buong website natin. So pwede mo syempre i-edit lahat ng to. Ngayon na nasa actual page na siya, pwede natin siyang i-edit. So ngayon dito na yung form, i-click natin yung maliit na pencil edit button, tapos i-edit natin yung form fields. So dito mo pwedeng lahat baguhin. Okay, so if you don't need a phone number, pwede mo siyang i-remove or i-X out. Tapos, what services are you interested in? Pwede mong gawing nutrition coaching, fitness coaching, or both. Whatever it may be, whatever lines we'll want to make that required, okay? So ngayon, maybe mas bagay yung preferred start date. Okay, so how did you hear about us? You can leave this required if you would like. Please write out your goals and what's your biggest obstacle. Okay. Cool. Kahit ano pa yan, pwede siyang i-customize ng super dali lang. If kailangan mong mag-add ng field, i-click mo lang yung add, tapos pwede kang pumili sa drop-down, address, website survey, checkbox. There's so many that you can do, even just plain text as well. Okay? So ngayon na naset na natin yan, ang next na gagawin mo is mag-add ng post-submit. So after ma-submit, gusto mo ba na thank you, looking forward to connecting with you? Okay? Pwede mo rin i-center yan. Pwede ka rin mag-add ng redirect link. So, kung gusto mong i-send sila as freebie, discount, or kung ano man, i-attach mo lang yung link dito. Pwede mo rin silang i-send sa ibang page sa site mo. Okay? So, i-keep na lang natin yan. Ngayon, tapos na yung form natin. Ang next na gagawin natin ay pupunta tayo sa storage and then manage submissions. Cool. Okay, so now this is where all your submissions will be, okay? So again, ang gagawin mo ay pupunta ka sa storage, tapos makikita mo yung email notification dito. Pwede mong i-add kung anong email address ang gusto mong gamitin. Then kung gusto mo naman i-connect sa Google Drive, Zapier, or MailChimp, i-click mo lang yung connect. Dito, i-walk through ka niya step by step kung paano gawin. Pwede mo rin ipasend yung submission sa Google Drive, Google Forms, at kung ano pa yung gusto mo. And si Zapier, sobrang daming possibilities talaga ang binubuksan niya. You can connect Zapier to almost anything. So, super powerful tool din siya. But again, they make it very, very simple to add a contact page, add a form, customize a form in whatever way you like. At syempre, pwede mo siyang isend kung kanino mo kailangan i-connect at kung saan mo kailangan. So, sobrang simple at sobrang powerful talaga. Ngayon, gusto ko lang i-quickly touch yung pros and cons para ma-decide mo kung Squarespace at yung built-in contact forms nila yung pinaka-best sa'yo. So, yung built-in form tool ng Squarespace, super okay siya for most websites kasi nasa isang place lang lahat. Hindi ka na kailangan mag-plug in, you don't have to embed external code, and you don't have to worry about updating anything. Everything stays consistent sa design ng site mo at gumagana agad out of the box. Sobrang fast and intuitive lang i-customize yung form, and because it integrates with other tools, you can fit it into nearly any workflow. Yung ability na mag-send ng submissions sa multiple destinations at the same time, isa yung biggest advantages niya. You can have messages sent to your inbox habang sinisave din sa spreadsheet, nag-trigger pa ng automation sa ibang tools. Helpful to whether gusto mong maging organized, mag-track ng leads, or mas maayos mag-follow up, pero may limitations din siya if gusto mo ng complex features like conditional logic, multi-step forms, or advanced survey tools. Hindi talaga to natively offered ng Squarespace. Kailangan mo ng tools like Typeform, Jotform, or ibang third-party builder para sa mas sophisticated na setups. Customizing the design is also limited to what's possible inside the block settings. Pwede mong baguhin yung colors, spacing, width, and button styles, but you don't have full control over the layout unless you use custom code. Isa pang dapat i-consider is yung Squarespace forms. Magagamit lang siya inside Squarespace, of course. So if you ever migrate to another side platform, your form setup won't transfer over. At habang reliable naman yung built-in notifications, may ibang users na mas gusto ng SMS reminders or mas robust na CRM syncing which kailangan mo talagang iset up through Zapier. So, para ba to sa'yo? Yung Squarespace contact form is really great solution kung gusto mo ng simple na way para makapag-reach sa'yo yung visitors without relying on external software. Kung nagpapatakbo ka ng business na kailangan ng maraming form logic, advanced survey routing, or mas in-depth na CRM automations, you might outgrow the built-in tools and look for an external form builder. But for most users who want a clean, functional, low-maintenance solution, yung Squarespace form block, ginawa niya exactly kung ano yung kailangan niya. Binibigyan ka ng professional way to communicate with your audience without adding extra complexity. Okay, gusto ko lang din i-quickly touch yung pricing dito. So, may couple of options sila. Pwede ka magbayad monthly or annually. I-overview ko yung annual plan kasi dito ka makakasave the most. I do want to mention with either of these, you can try free for 14 days. And again, reminder lang na if gagamitin mo ang code na my first website sa checkout, makakasave ka pa ng extra 10% on top of this. Okay? So, meron silang basic, core, plus, and advanced plan. Yung basic plan is $16 per month kapag annual yung billing. Kasama na dito lahat, templates, free custom domain, space, AI, and up to 2 contributors. So, you can accept payments, but they are the highest rates as you can see right here. Then, meron tayong core plan at $23 per month kapag annual billing. Kasama na dito lahat na nasa basic plan, but you get unlimited contributors, advanced website analytics, and the ability to customize with CSS or JavaScript. As you can see, bumaba rin yung payment fees plus my other features like sales funnel, analytics, and API integrations. Then, meron tayong plus plan na $39 per month kapag annual billing. Kasama na dito lahat ng features ng core plan, pero mas bumababa na yung rates. As you can see dito, yung online transaction fee nagiging 0 na. Then, meron tayong advanced plan na $99 per month kapag annual billing. Dito makukuha mo lahat ng nasa plus plan, pero mas bumaba ulit yung fees. So, 0 transaction fee, 0% digital content and membership transaction fees, at yung credit card rates naman, ang pinaka-lowest sa lahat ng plans. So, pili ka ng plan na pinaka-fit sa needs mo. And again, gamitin mo yung code na MyFirstWebsite sa checkout para sa extra 10% off. So, yan na yung end ng video. And reminder lang na yung contact form is one of the most important parts ng website mo because it's the place where people reach out when they want to talk to you. Having a form that works, sends notifications, and stays organized makes everything easier once na maset-up na hindi ka na mag-worry na may mamimiss kang increase or kailangan mo pang i-check ang iba't ibang inboxes. If gusto mong i-try for yourself, make sure gamitin ang exclusive link namin sa description below and use code MyFirstWebsite at checkout for an extra 10% off when you upgrade. Gusto ko lang din i-mention na affiliate link sa mga to, which means pwede kami kumita ng small commission pero wala namang extra cost from you. So if you decide na gamitin yung links namin, thank you so much in advance sa suporta mo sa channel namin. Malaking tulong to para makapag-continue kami gumawa ng free tutorials just like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. At mag-iwan ng comments or questions sa baba. Gusto namin makarinig sa inyo. Ang channel na to ay dedicated para tulungan kang mag-build ng first website mo gamit ang simple tools and super easy steps. Maraming salamat sa panonood at see you in the next video.